anticipate for a pirate boat to be out here, they would need to spend like 6 or 7 hours on open sea with their boat.
Yeah.
It's not realistic.
So we're now on our way to Los Roques. I'd be lying if I tell you that I'm not scared. I am scared, especially after reading about the Venezuela crisis and the piracy reports online. And I'm very hesitant to go there now. But we've been looking forward to go there since day one. And this is really once in a lifetime opportunity that we can go there, and we're not just gonna give that up so easily. Yeah, so it's a bit of mixed emotions. Just hope that we get there safely at the end.
The sail to Los Roques, Venezuela was quite uneventful, which after stories we've heard and read about Venezuela, it was unusual. Apart from the fact that we picked up some crazy currents and we managed to get there some 8 hours earlier than planned, it was smooth sailing. We anchored off the main town of Grand Roque in pitch darkness, which I don't like doing, but what do you do? And after a short sleep, we pumped up our dinghy and we headed to the Coast Guard's office. Venezuela's bureaucracy was next level, but Coast Guard gave us a young boy that took us to all the officials we needed to visit, so it was real easy. After Coast Guard's office, next was Harbour Master.
Yeah. Sorry.
Australia.
Australian. Flag Australia.
Australia. Then the National Parks Office, where we ended up paying $90 US.
Amigo, bienvenida. ¿Cuándo se va, señores?
And then National Guard's Office. Yeah, you type in English, Spanish, English. And finally, the immigration, and after paying another $20 US, we had both in and out stamps into Venezuela. We were free to do as we pleased. This place is undiscovered paradise. I have never seen the color of the water like this before. And as soon as you get a few miles from the main island, you're completely alone. The marine life was also the best we've seen in the Caribbean. We finally found it. Since we had an exit stamp already, we slowly made our way west through Los Roques archipelago. And to avoid sailing overnight, we even stopped over at Aves, which is another archipelago in Venezuela, where we got boarded by the Coast Guard, and after searching through our boat, they took our hot sauce. They did ask, but I wasn't going to say no. And we were also $20 poorer, but we did enjoy another paradise location. I don't know why he asked me, do you have a satellite phone? Almost like... He's like, do you have a satellite phone so you can ask for help when we come and rob you tonight?
Yeah.
So
I don't feel safe.
Yeah, I do.
I don't feel safe, babe.
Hmm?
I don't feel safe.
Mate, like I said to you, everyone's reporting. Everyone that come here reports
Yeah, because
that they're friendly, that all they, you stop from a beer, they'll come and board your ship. They'll search, look around the boat, and then leave you alone. That's what everyone said. See the next episode as we explore the ABC Islands, Bonaire being the first one.